Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm designer Frank Blanchard AIFD, and in this video, I'm concentrating on encouraging you to consider video content and creating video content to market your small business, and especially for all of you retail florists out there. And creating that video content specifically for YouTube, and how YouTube can really help you gain some ground and grow your business in 2021. Now is a perfect time to really start concentrating on your marketing efforts going into the new year. And if you follow me on YouTube at all or on social media, you know I am a big proponent of video for marketing, because it really has been determined that when people are looking for answers to questions, to solve a problem, looking for products they think they might want to buy, or doing their work online, possibly schooling, the vast majority of people that are online want to consume their content that they are looking for in the form of video content. By far, it gets more reach and more people are looking specifically for that video content. So, for small business owners, entrepreneurs, and all of you professional florists out there, video marketing cannot be ignored. You have to embrace it. It's not that scary, and it can really do some big benefits for your career and your business and helping you grow in 2021. Now, again, back to some of my former past videos, and I'll put some cards up top here specifically linking to those videos on creating video content. YouTube, on the other hand, is different. Once you create content on YouTube, it is always there. And if you can embrace the idea of creating video content for YouTube, it can really do some amazing things for your small business, for a couple of different reasons. One, YouTube is a search engine. So whatever content you are putting into the platform, you are feeding that content directly into YouTube, which is part of Google. So depending on the kind of content that you create and the kind of video content that you're creating for the YouTube platform, if you can get those YouTube videos to rank, just like we work on doing for our websites, it's possible that you can actually get your YouTube videos to rank and show up on Google for people's search results. So what does that mean? Ultimately, for you as a small business owner, that means you can end up with multiple listings that all answer certain questions for people searching for things on the web. You can end up showing up multiple times on the first pages of Google. Now, when you do upload video to YouTube, I will say this: YouTube in some ways is actually harder than social media. It really comes down to creating really good thumbnails that make people want to click on to your thumbnail and your content to see what your video is all about. Second is the title of your video. What is the topic about? And including keywords and keyword phrases as part of your title. Thirdly, probably the most important thing is the tags that go along with your video. So creating and utilizing your keywords and phrases, not only in your title, but in your tags, are a big part of what helps you tell YouTube what your video is all about. From there, the algorithm picks up all of that information and can determine who might like to see and watch your video content. So going into 2021, I really encourage you to think about and really consider starting a YouTube channel for your small business, especially all of you retail florists out there, because we aren't represented very well on YouTube and there aren't many retail florists on YouTube. So if you think you're trying to do everything you can to separate yourself from whoever you think is your competition, YouTube might be the platform that helps you do that, because most likely your competition isn't using YouTube. Hopefully that will give you some ideas as to what you might want to think about creating some video content for that markets your business and your florist business, especially right now when we are in the big buildup to Valentine's Day. If you like video content like this and you find it helpful, definitely give my video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified when I do upload new content for you, by all means, hit that bell icon. Until next time, consider creating video content to market your small business. And let's go over here and check out these other videos that can help you get started on a strong footing with your marketing for 2021. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye for now.